Larger houses with high hot water demand will typically have a store of hot water that will come in the form of a hot water cylinder. This particular house we're at today has a vented hot water cylinder, and they rely on tanks in the loft that feed the water down into the cylinder, and then it's delivered to the taps at gravity pressure. So it's typically going to be a low pressure hot water system. You can add pumps to these systems, but there are other designs of system as well that we can use, which would be unvented hot water, which is delivered at mains pressure. So that removes the need for tanks in the loft and means whatever we get coming into the house, we're typically getting coming out of the taps at a similar or the same flow rate. Okay, so this is an unvented cylinder. This particular one is located in a loft, which is why it's a little bit dim up here. Unvented cylinders are designed to deliver water at mains pressure, so they're delivering hot water at mains pressure. We're typically going to find these cylinders in houses where they have a high hot water demand, want to be able to run lots of hot outlets at the same time, and where the flow rate of the water coming into the property is good enough to support one of these being used. So this is a combi boiler. Combi boilers heat hot water on demand. They're typically used to heat 1 or 2 hot outlets at a time. What we've actually done here, or how this system has been set up, is the combi boiler is serving 1 bathroom, but then we have an unvented cylinder here as well, which is serving multiple other bathrooms. That's then been linked to the combi boiler. So the benefits of that are, there is 1 bathroom where we're never heating any more hot water than we actually use, and the actual purchase price of a combi boiler, for no obvious reason, is generally lower than a system boiler, which is what you would generally use alongside an unvented cylinder. So these are accumulator vessels. What accumulator vessels are used for is to boost water pressure in properties where they have a low incoming main pressure and flow rate. These two are located in the loft. They're pretty versatile. They can go almost anywhere, and you can also add pumps to them to increase the pressure even further.